Hello. This is the first one of these, but it'll be a quick one. Here's how to do a handwriting effect in After Effects CC. Bang. So, the first thing you want to do is write down your text. We're going to just say handwriting. Ooh, if I can spell. Here we go. Make it big so you can see it. Center anchor point in layer content. Scale it right up. Bang. Next, change it to a font that's got some curves and everything. Apalu is my favorite. Should be yours too. It's a very good font. Do that again. And easiest thing ever. Select your layer. Click the pen tool. And then start drawing on the lines. That's going to be one. And if you go in here, it'll say you've got a mask. And that mask is yellow. What you want to do next, go into your effects and presets when it loads. Then type in stroke. And under generate, you want to put that into the handwriting. Bam, it's done it. Easy. Then it says select mask, mask 1. Reveal original image. Increase the brush size a little bit so you can see that it just gets that line. And to animate that, all you want to do is hit the end keyframe. Start at 0%. And then after, say, 10 frames? Let's say 10 frames. After 10 frames, record another keyframe at 100%. And what you'll notice what this does is it draws that line. Future Joe here. I've made a bit of a mistake here. Make sure you tick all masks. That'll apply to every single mask that you add in the strokes of the letters. Got it? Good. Let's keep going. And here's what it looks like after it's all done. Back in a second. And here is the finished product. All the masks put in. And I think for about 10 minutes work, I think it looks pretty good. Let's check it out. Yeah. I think there's some inconsistencies which with more time you could probably spend ironing out and making sure everything looks picture perfect. But yeah, that's how I kind of did the thing with my introduction as well. If you take a look at this, that's pretty much the same thing. So there you have it. There's how to do a handwriting effect in After Effects CC. See you soon.